All right. So I need, I know the majority of us are with mobile phones, so we're going to first create with a mobile phone, and then if time allows, then we shall proceed on how to create with a computer. Okay. So I need one person who is going to volunteer. They share a screen to their mobile phone, and we begin this. Yes, do we have anyone willing to share a screen? We need to do this practically as I'm guiding you as you're creating the website. I'm here, so I need one person to share their screen. Yes, Livia, you can go ahead. All right, so I want you to go to Google Chrome. So we're going to create a website using a content management system called WordPress. Okay, so in the browser up there, type wordpress.com. WordPress is one word. WordPress is one word. All right. So we come to wordpress.com, and this is what we're going to use, each of us, to create our own free websites. So click on Get Started. And then so you can continue with Google. Don't install that thing up there. Continue with Google. So each of us is going to be required to have a website. Okay, going to be a requirement because your next coursework will require you publishing on your own website, and I will be only receiving links from your own personal website. So this is not something that you say maybe I have to participate or not. Each of us will be required to have their own website. Yes, select your Google account and continue. Continue. Okay, right. So now here, when you reach this step, now you are supposed to put, this is why you put in like your site address name. Okay, so if maybe it's going to be, this is just for an example. So Sylvia, you don't need to type this, but I'm just going to give an example, then you can think of your own. So for example, if it's going to be Kampala reports, or yeah, Kampala's journal, this is where you put the name of how you want your website to be, that someone can type in the address like www.newvision. So this is where you put it. So Slivia, depending on what you'd want your website name to be, you can put it here in that area. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. So after you type the name there, okay. So we now want to select the most free option there for that name, okay? Because as you can see there, you see they have prices attached to them. So I want you to scroll down slowly, then hold on there. So are you seeing the one which has the option of free? Completely the one which is listeria.wordpress.com. That is the one that we're going to do what? To select. I hope each of us is following well. Select the option after you type in the name of your website that you want. You make sure that you click on the option for free. Okay. So again, click on that one which says start with free. Then click on this option which is in the bottom right corner that says skip to dashboard. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to name our site. Then what we put was the site address. Now we're also going to give the site a name and also other settings. So are you seeing where there is give your site a name? I want you to click there. All right. Then where there is site title, put the title for your site. You can first erase what is there. Yes, Ivan?
I've just logged on onto my computer
Mm.
just to record. I don't know whether someone has started recording,
Yeah, I had
but
started recording.
oh, okay.
Okay. So now site tagline. You know what a tagline is? Tagline is something like a slogan for your site or something. Just like you see New Vision, the leading daily, daily monitor, truth every day. So you create a tagline for your site. Ball for life. Um, Scroll down. We see if there's anything else that needs to be changed. If you have, um, scroll down a little more. Up. Scroll down. Scroll up. Sorry. Slowly. Scroll up. So where there's site icon, if you had the logo already designed for your website, that is where you can. But for now, it's okay. There's no pressure. Click on Save Settings. Okay. After you've clicked on Save Settings, now are you seeing where there is that W in the top right corner? Like, click on it. Top right corner. The W, the W. Mhm. Yes. Then click on My Home. Click on My Home. Okay. Then are you seeing where there is Launch Your Site? Are you saying launch your site? Yes. So now your site is launched. So one other thing, WordPress in Uganda, unfortunately, it requires when we're going to start the whole process of publishing content, it requires VPN. Okay, you need to have VPN on to publish and everything. And even for anyone who wants to access your link here in Uganda, they'll have to have VPN on. But anyone across the world, they don't need. So that is the downside. Okay, so now we have you have set we have created your website. Click on that X there. Okay, so let's click on the W again. All right, so one other thing, I think here everything else is okay. Okay, now I want you to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and then search for an app called Jetpack. Search for an app called Jetpack and install it. Jetpack. Jet. Pack with not with R. C. So Jetpack is the app that is going to help us to manage our website where we can post from using our mobile phone. Okay, so it's that first one. Click on it and then begin installing it. So I hope the rest you're following suit. Again, the recording of this is going to be shared that you can follow, but please let it be known each of us needs to have their own website. And I also hope everyone is aware of the deadline of when to submit their coursework. It's okay, Slivia. We shall wait. Okay. All right. Maybe as you install there, we can also now work on the people with a computer. Anyone who joined with a computer that can share. Ivan, you mind sharing your screen? I know that you joined with your computer. Yeah, share your screen and then we see now the process, how it happens on computer as well. All right, so new tab, then now you type there wordpress.com. Now, okay, it's okay, press enter. Also, I'm also going to ask you to download in a new tab. You're going to download Opera browser, okay? And why I'm telling you to do this is because Opera has its own inbuilt VPN, okay? That you don't need to install another VPN. It can connect it there on its own. So you click on that first. So just wait for it. I think it's going to begin. It's downloading. I think preferably we shall now click on that first icon there on the right, the first icon. No. That one. Yes. The one of show in folder. Accept and install. So also give it a few seconds. Slivia, how far with the install of Jetpack? You can also give me an update. Slivia, how far with Jetpack? Okay. Yeah, I want us to do even for computer. I want this to be in that Opera browser because it has its inbuilt VPN and it won't disturb like how Chrome might be. So Slivia, you said your mic is not working. I wonder. Uh, as you're downloading, Ivan, first stop sharing screen. I see here, Slivia, first share screen again. We see something. Ivan, first stop sharing your screen briefly. Ivan, are you there? Okay. Yes, Slivia, go on your home page, like on your home screen of your phone. Slivia? Slivia, are you there? I'm seeing a blank screen. I don't know if it's for the rest are also seeing the same. Slivia, are you still there? Slivia, first stop sharing and then you will share your screen, please. Then now we share and we see. Okay, click on, go to your home screen, go to settings, click on search for permissions. Remove the S, just the word permission. Go to permission manager. Click back. Where is this? So wait there, wait there. Click on special app access. Click back. Click back. Again back. Sorry. Are you seeing where there is app list? App list. So you scroll until you go to Google Meet. 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 First scroll down. Scroll down. Click on Meet there. Permissions. Click on microphone. I wonder why it doesn't allow, because I'm seeing here it's okay. Click back. So on app list, go to Chrome. Click on permissions there. I see it's on. Okay, now you go back to Google Meet on your the real app itself on the phone. On the phone. No, just check among your page. You know that third icon which is down there below. So you search for where the meeting was. That's where I want you to. Then click on the icon to unmute. Speak and we hear. We can't. When you speak, I don't know why it can't. For some reason. Okay. I don't know what the issue could be, because everything seems to be place. Okay, so you go to Jetpack. I think it has finished downloading, if I'm not mistaken. Open it. Now hold on, just hold on there. Continue with wordpress.com. Okay. So now go to your, let's wait. Go to your email. Go to your Gmail on the phone, or just give it a minute. Okay, you go to your Gmail. Click on that thing. So log into the app there. All right. So now click on that. Hold on. Don't do too fast. Okay. Click on no thanks and proceed. All right. So here, Jetpack is what we're going to be using to. This is an app that was designed to help you manage your WordPress account. You're able to publish here a post of your choice, make any changes, and then you're able to generate the link. Ivan, how far are you with downloading Opera? Okay, so
It's downloaded.
all right, let's first stop there. So Slivia for mobile now. Yes, Ivan, you can share your screen now. So I know we are going to probably, when we're starting to use WordPress, we want to continue with Google. So what I want to first do is ensure that log into your Gmail there in this Opera account. You can just drag that thing away. Okay.
No, I want to pardon. Like, I didn't hear what you said.
I was saying we need to log into your Google account on the Opera browser.
Eh.
So up in the address bar, yeah, you can type there Gmail or something. Yeah. I hope you know all your credentials well, your login and password. Sign in. Spelling of Gmail, spelling of Gmail. Okay, new tab. Open a new tab. Close that thing there that's saying go to all tabs or something. So I want to show you how to activate VPN in Opera. Okay, this could be the browser that you maybe, because I know Facebook these days they still need VPN access, and even WordPress when we're going to post. So I want to show you how you can quickly activate VPN here. So are you seeing this icon? Sorry, these three dotted lines in the bottom left corner. Click there. Then scroll down. Settings. Click on that icon beside, to the right of the word settings. Yeah. So now, are you seeing where there's search settings there, top right? Search there for VPN. So are you seeing that first option there, enable VPN? It has an icon to the right of it. Okay. So now close this tab. Close any tab that is not necessary, so that we don't have many tabs open, apart from your email one. Even that one, even one of Opera or something, close it. The one to the left of your email. Yeah. Even that. So open a new tab and then you type. So right now you can see the icon of VPN, it's on. You see? So now the VPN has been turned in that browser. You click on it. Are you seeing that blue button where the word VPN is in the web address? Yeah, there. Click on it. So right now it's telling you that it's on, it's protected. So you click on that button, that like that power button there. Then it right now it's what? It's the VPN, you've turned it off. Just click outside anywhere and we see. Yeah. So when you see the VPN thing there in your browser, with that it's turned on. To turn it off, you click on it there once again. Then you make sure you power it on. And then now you'll have VPN access. So type there wordpress.com. Enter. Get started. Continue with Google. Yes, click on your, okay, continue. All right. So remember what we did with Slivia. So here is where you type in your site address. When someone types in www.newvision, so what do you want your site to be? The Chelsea reports, the Chelsea, depending on really what you want. I was just giving you ideas. You don't need to, but if you feel it's okay. Okay, just wait now. Click on this thing of accept all. Okay, like I said, we look for the free option. Scroll down until we see the free one. Slowly. Are you seeing the free thing there? Yes, you select that. You're seeing how continue. Again, remember we said we are doing free. Start with free. Then we can go to skip to dashboard. Sorry about that. It's up in the top right corner. All right, now we go to give your site a name, and then we continue with how we're doing with Slivia. Just give it a second. It's loading. It's loading. So give the site, put the site title, tagline. I hope you remember what the tagline is. Yeah. Yeah. So have a site title. No. I think you're putting now a tagline where the site title is supposed to be. First, give your. If you want it bigger again, the HSA advocates, that's okay. Many times the thing is usually some people use it as the same. Then the tagline. All right, then I think you can click on save settings. Okay, click on my home. It's okay. Click OK. Click on my home. Click on my home. Go to launch your site. Okay, so your site has now been launched. It's now accessible. Cancel that. Yeah. Okay, so we have successfully seen how to create your website, both using mobile phone and computer. Okay, so I don't expect any excuse from anyone that you don't know any process. This is being recorded, so please, even after the class, watch the recording, because I know many of us may not have had the opportunity to do as people are following now. So please watch so that you're not left behind when it comes to the coursework. So the first thing I want us to do here is to create categories. Okay, categories help us arrange our content on our website. When you're going to, no, actually pages. I think we're going to first do pages and then we shall go to categories. So pages, we can create pages on our website where there's going to be information that does not change over time. Okay, for example, like your biography, your location, things of the nature, your contact. Whereas now, like things like articles, content that you publish around the area of your expertise, that one we shall put it under posts. But for now, we want to first create pages so that where we can put some information that is not going to change so permanently. So to create pages, like I said, don't worry, we shall be demonstrating for both computer and mobile. So to be able to create a new page, are you seeing on the left there where the word pages is? Don't click on it, but just hover over the word pages on the left. On the left. Then click add new page. Okay, so are you seeing blank page? It's on the left hand side of the page there. Yes, click there. First click to accept all. Yeah, we don't want those that notice there. Skip the tour. Skip. Okay. So now here we are going to create our page. You first give it a title. Okay. So you can put the title there as contact. Write the word contact. Contact preferably with a capital C. Then below, are you seeing where there's type to choose a block? Then now you can start putting now your details of your contact. So you can put like email dash, then this, then telephone number dash, like that. Then you press enter. After typing in your email in full, you press enter, then you can add something else. What's the issue with typing your email, Ivan? Put at gmail.com and then proceed. Again, telephone, please be somehow consistent with the way you type. Put capital T on telephone. Yeah, so for now you can have those. If you have any other means of contacting you, you can always update. This can always be updated. So click on publish there. I think where publish is. Click on it again. Yeah. So now we want to add another page. So are you seeing where there's add new page there? Yes, add a new page. It's important that you also have an about me page, okay? That you can quickly send a link to someone when they say your profile, what about you? So this will also create an about page. Same process. Click on blank page. Give it a title. Capital, 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 please, capital. No need for a full stop. There's no need for a full stop on the title. Now below, so you can now you can put like a one sentence, but now that we have begun this journey, think of how best you can do what you can create a description about you. Okay, so you can say maybe I'm a journalism. Actually, you guys don't even need to call yourselves students. You can say I'm a journalism and communications professional. still studying probably at Uganda Christian University. And the good thing, this can be edited, okay? But you can just say a journalism and communications professional. Then now when you have more time, you can go and put there your academic background, all those details about you, your areas of expertise and all that. But I just wanted you guys to see how it can be done, okay? Then you click on publish. Okay, so I hope it's clear. This is how you create pages, okay? Please don't get them mixed up with things like articles, because for articles we're going to be going now to posts. This is pages which have information which is like more permanent, that's not going to change. Things like about me, contact, location, those kinds of things. Is it clear? Any questions regarding that? Great. So Ivan, click on that W there in the top left corner, that WordPress sign. Yes. Click on all pages. You just want to go back to the other place. So now the next thing that we want to create are categories. Okay, categories help when you to arrange your content well. When you publish a post, now like for now, like when you publish articles, they need to be in specific categories. And how do you come up with categories? So basing on what you're going to be publishing about. So if you're going to be publishing about sports, health, politics, you can have them as different categories. So I don't know what you intend to be posting about, Ivan, but basing on what you intend to post on your website, we can create categories so that when you publish content, we're able to allocate it to the most appropriate category. So like we did the other time, I want you to go to posts. Don't click, just hover over it. Posts is there. Then now click on the word categories. Yes. Okay, so have you seen where there is add new category? Click there. So now here is where you name the category. So what do you intend to be writing about? And then we please, capital, capital. I don't know why you like starting your sentences with small letters. Then click add. You don't need to put the description now for now. Just click add. So you can have like 3 categories that you add. Click on add new category and then you add again. Okay, great. So now, so far for this class, this is what we're going to, I expect now. By the next time we shall be meeting, I expect you to have a website, okay, and you have added at least 3 pages and also created 3 categories. And this this segment has been for computer. So thank you, Ivan. I want to request Slivia to again come back for mobile. Slivia went off. Oh. Oh, Slivia, I can see you on the call. Please share screen. Okay, go to the Jetpack app. Okay, so here we want to see how we can create pages. So click on pages there. And then now here, to be able to create a new one, are you seeing the plus sign in the bottom right corner? Scroll, create blank page. Are you seeing create blank page, that thing down? Sylvia, what happened? Okay. Yes, so now, like we have done there, add the title, could be either about me or something. Put the title for the page, and then below you give description about you. No, 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 no. Basketball cannot be your. Were you hearing the examples when we were demonstrating with Ivan? Okay, you put. Okay, you put the word contact. Create a page called contact. Then below there, where they start writing, you can put your contact details. You can put, maybe type email and then dash, and then you put your email address. Then you can go the next line, put telephone number, then you type it. Okay. Then click publish. Publish now. Okay, so you can create. First, click on that about, which is there. I think that one there comes by default. Click on that about. Yeah, so you can edit that text which is there, and then you update it with something about maybe journalism and communication professional. So about you, this is where you write maybe I'm a journalism and communications professional. Okay, then click there on update. Update now. Okay, so in case you want to add any other more pages, maybe like location, something, you can always do that. So click on that back icon besides the word pages there. So click on more. First click on more there, I see what is there. Scroll up and click on, okay, click back on that icon besides the word my site. Then click on posts. I want you to scroll to the right. What of this plus sign in the bottom right corner? No. Click back. Again, click back. So you saw that we were able to add categories. Here it's going to be a little bit different for mobile. Okay, we're going to have to go back. We're going to see how it takes us back to the browser so that we can be able to add it from there. So click on more. Hello. Then scroll down completely. Then click on WP admin, that last option. Then you wait. Okay, so this brings us back to our dashboard here. Okay, scroll up, click on that W, then now click on posts once, then now click on categories, then you wait. So we want to add new categories here. So you click on add new category. I hope you got the explanation of what a category is. Depending on what you're going to be publishing about, you can have different categories. So if you maybe if you're going to be publishing about sports, health, we can create different categories for them. You scroll down, then click add. So add like 3 categories and then we proceed. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, so now we can go back to Jetpack. So you will not be able to see the categories here, but we have added them to the browser, so it will be okay. So click back there on where there's on my site, so that it takes us back to the home thing. Yeah. So I hope this is clear. I have demonstrated how to create your website from computer and also mobile. You first create through your browser in Chrome and everything, and then you download Jetpack. You make sure you synchronize the two, as this I think this recording will be able to show. so that we are all at par, everyone. So if you want to see what your site looks like right now, Slivia, okay, first, okay, are you seeing that green where the word sports update is, but that the word down there, sisteria.wordpress.com? If you click there, it will take you to your website. So you click there on that link. So right now that's your website. Of course, right now all that can be customized, but at least we have seen now that we shall look at in the next class how to customize all these better. But now this is your website, and your menu showing maybe your pages. I think those two double lines that are up there on the right, if you click them, it should be able to show the pages you created, about and contact. Okay, you can cancel. Yeah, so when it comes to posting your content, everything for mobile, you shall be using from Jetpack. Click on back there, the one in the top left. I just wanted to see how you can get to your site. Yes. Then for computer, thank you, Slivia. Any questions here so far? Great, thank you for sharing and accepting to demonstrate for the class. Ivan, I need you to share your screen for computer once again. Ivan, are you there? Okay, seems I think either Ivan doesn't have very good network, but oh, okay. So where were you in your WordPress? Type wordpress.com. No, up. You don't need to type in there. In the other address bar, which is up. Enter. Okay, so now for you, your website is, you'll have to copy from where Ndecheze advocates that wordpress.com, copy from there, then you paste it in a new tab, and then it opens. The new tab. Okay. No, go back to where you are. Okay. Enter. It's okay if it has come the other side, then that's fine. Yes, so by default, so this is your site. Of course, all this is default content, so don't worry about it. It can all be edited. So now that is the link to your website that you can share with someone. If you want to go to, so this is the area that people see. Okay. Now, if you want to go to the dashboard area where we were able to add the pages from, the the categories and everything. So after .com, put there a slash. After .com, put a slash. No. Control Z. Now put a slash. WP dash admin. Enter. So this takes you to the dashboard area. I hope now you can tell the difference. So this one nobody gets to see. This is your end where you make your changes and everything, to add pages and everything. So this is your your admin area. The other side is the home for what people see on top. So any changes you want to make to your site and everything, you need to be in the admin area. For mobile, like I said, you no need to do this. You can work from Jetpack and everything will be sorted from there. Okay, any questions from what we have covered today? Supplements? All right, if none, I'm looking forward to all of you creating your websites so that we can now begin on this journey of proper storytelling on our websites. Like I said, I'm going to invite in some people next week who will give you some good career advice on how to publish content well online and also storytelling. If that is all, I would like to wish you a good evening and the rest of your week.